Okay, so this is a quick video describing how I removed and replaced this seatbelt buckle on a Smart ForTwo from 2008. So the problem was that this was broken. This was not allowing the clip to go inside and clip in, and the replacement part from eBay was about 30 bucks, 30 or 40 bucks. So depending on who you buy it from. So let me explain to you what I did. The seat was in the car when I removed and replaced this. This is the passenger seat here. And what I did was I started by removing this bolt, and this loosened the cable. Basically, this unit came off. But in order to route the wire out, there's no clearance there, so you have to remove this one and that one. And if you remove those, then the top, the rear bolster here will be loose, and that allows you to go underneath the seat. And if you go underneath the seat, so that you can remove this wire, you can then see that this wire comes underneath here through these clips that you can kind of undo. So you can do that, and then there's a base here, and this clip would go into the base there, and you have to unhook the blue wire coming from the car, which would be in here. And the way you do that is you get a small flathead screwdriver, you push on the top here, and then you gently pull out the clip, and then you can route this wire out through the space right here. And that's how you would remove and replace that buckle.